In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bills from a CSV file into Xero. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of the process and the confidence to manage your accounts with ease. We'll begin at your Xero dashboard. This is the central hub that gives you a comprehensive overview of your financial activities. Our focus today will be on the Purchases section, specifically on how to import bills efficiently. To start, navigate to the Purchases section, then go to Bills to Pay. This area contains all your unpaid bills and is crucial for managing your outgoing cash flow effectively. Once you're in the Bills to Pay section, look for the New Bill button. Instead of clicking directly on it, select the arrow next to it. This will reveal a drop-down menu, and from here, choose Import from CSV. This option allows you to bring in multiple bills at once, saving you time and effort. Now, you'll see on-screen instructions that guide you on how to prepare your CSV file. It's critical to ensure your file is in the correct format before uploading. Pay attention to details like column headers and the order of data, as they must match Xero's requirements. Preparing your file accurately at this stage will prevent any errors during the import process. Once your CSV file is prepared, you can upload it. You have two options here. Either drag and drop your file into the designated area on the screen, or simply click on the Select File button to browse your device and upload. Both methods are straightforward, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. After your file is uploaded, take some time to carefully review your import settings. Here, you can specify whether the prices in your bills are tax-inclusive or exclusive. This detail is essential for correct financial reporting. Additionally, consider whether you want to update contact addresses in your records. This option can be handy if you've made any changes to your vendor details and want them reflected in Xero. When you're satisfied that everything is set up correctly, go ahead and click Confirm. This final step completes the import process, and you'll now find your bills listed in the Bills to Pay section. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to import bills into Xero using a CSV file. By following these steps, you can manage your accounts payable more efficiently, ultimately boosting your productivity. Don't hesitate to pause and review each step to ensure accuracy. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!